That doesn't seem right. What in the hell?
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
I guess the first thing to go over is this Ferrari F430. It's actually sold. We have, well, I should say, we have a deposit on it. They haven't paid for it yet, but they wanted us to do a few things before they bought it. So one of the things we had to do was get the tune to make sure that the check engine light would go away because it has cat deletes. Well, we sent off the ECUs, they got tuned, they came back, and it's
only running on 4 cylinders. So one side of the engine is running beautifully and the other side is just nothing. It's dead.
Bring out your day. Here's one. Ninepence. I'm not dead. What?
And you've swapped the ECUs left, right?
The ECUs. I tried disconnecting the O2 sensor because that'll sometimes do it. That didn't make a difference. I tried clearing the codes. I checked all the wiring that I could check behind the seat and back here. I don't know yet. It's always something.
I hate this sort of stuff. Electrical stuff's the worst, so we're gonna have to get this sorted, obviously. We can't sell a car with a half engine.
Well, we got a guy waiting on it, so we have to get that fixed so that I can go get new tires on it, because we got these wheels redone. They came out good, but I gotta go get the tires on, but the car's gotta run right first.
Problem number one that we're working on today. All right, we're gonna try starting this thing up and see what it sounds like. So I was thinking maybe it's the battery, right? So I went and looked at the battery, and what you can see is there's a fuse block on the right hand side. So I pulled every single fuse, all the fuses were fine, but 2 of the fuses were cocked. Ooh. That doesn't seem right. I'm gonna pull the codes. Something. Yeah, it's definitely not revving correctly. All right, so I went back there and you could actually touch the exhaust pipes on the left side of the engine. So I'm rescanning everything, trying to see what codes are coming up and everything. Damn, I thought maybe that was it because it started right up and it ran better, but it's still not running properly. So we've been playing around, left bank's not working. I sent a text to Josh Hill, you know, Sawzall.
Very light white cotton, so the second something splatters onto me and burns my skin, I can see immediately where it is and pat it off very quickly.
And he sent me an idea, and I think we may have it. What we're gonna do is, I'm in my launch. I'm in, let's do the right bank. All right, so here's the right bank. We're gonna do an actuation test. Fuel pump relay 1, and listen over there, right? Listen. All right, so that's that fuel pump, right? So now let's go into the left bank. Actuation test. Fuel pump, ready? Nothing.
Nothing! Absolutely nothing!
Well, let's try fuel pump relay 2. Where is it? Fuel pump relay 2. On. Nothing. Well, YouTube, I think we have a dead fuel pump. Or a fuse or a relay. One of the things. Probably the fuel pump. I mean, these things are known to fail.
A few moments later.
What in the hell is going on there? Look at that. Look at it. Holy crap. What the hell is that?
What the hell was that? Spaceball 1. They've gone to plaid.
So that is just a glob of epoxy on top of the fuel pump. Number one, that is a major safety concern. I actually saw a thread on Facebook recently where someone was talking about doing exactly that. Please, please, for the love of God, do not just epoxy the top of the fuel pump if it cracks. This is how 430s catch on fire.
Likus vos pusvalandžiui iki nuomos.
I've actually had people reach out to me, send pictures of their burnt to a crisp 430 because of that exact problem. So please, do not be a cheap ass. You own a 6-figure car. Don't be a cheap motherfucker. Spend the money, buy the new fuel pumps. For the love of God. This makes me mad that someone would even do this. Like, I'm fine with taking shortcuts in certain places, but that is not the place to take a shortcut. So, obviously we're gonna have to order a fuel pump. And pray that we can get all that shit out of there and get that fuel pump out of there, because that is a complete disaster. Okay, I've had to literally take a hammer and chisel right there to knock off chunks of epoxy like this from the fuel pump. And yeah, they seriously, this is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. So like this thing, I had to just literally break it off because they epoxied the release mechanism on the fuel line. Because that's smart.
I am too smart. I am too smart. S-M-R-T. I mean S-M-A-R-T.
God, this is some seriously stupid shit. So I took off the fuel line with that connector that was all epoxied, and it's just screwed. I just don't feel comfortable trying to like salvage this. Like, it's all degraded and the epoxy kind of like melted part of it. You can see it's all messed up right there. So I had to order another one. So basically, whoever did this not only the fuel pump but destroyed this fuel line. So yeah, that's another $250. So the fuel pump's about $600, $650. That's $200. This is costing almost $1,000, like $850, $900, and that's with us doing the labor ourselves. So, hooray! Stupid shit right here, man. Trying to save a buck, screwing someone else. Yeah, it's frustrating. All right, well, fuel pump's on its way. It won't be here for a couple days, so I guess that'll do it for now. I guess rejoin us. Like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate the support. Buy some cars from us and don't f up stuff doing like stuff like this. It's just dumb. Please, just don't. Especially when it comes to fuel pumps. My God, this is such a fire risk. Like, whoever did this is just dumb, man. Like, the top of the fuel pump is cracked. Like, cracked in half. Bad things. But hey, we got good things coming your way. So again, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. We're gonna be doing some cool car stuff, so you're gonna wanna stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet.